Hi guys, good evening. Magluluto tayo guys. Ayan guys. Lulutuin natin guys. Ayan yung ulam guys. Ayan yung kawali guys. Nag-init na tayo ng mantika guys. Ayan guys, lulutuin natin yan guys. And then ito guys Matigas na to guys. Nagbabato na to guys. Grabe guys, matigas na guys. Nag-yellow guys. Putlong guys ang ulam. Tapos ito maling guys. Yan guys, kanina guys dinuto ilo guys, pansit yan guys. So, may itlog guys, lutuin ko din yung itlog na yan guys, dalawa guys. Ayan guys, dyan ka muna guys. Ayan guys.